Ever wonder if a plant could smell like lemon and keep mosquitoes away? Say hello to the citronella plant. It's not just any plant, it's got a secret or two. Today we're going on a garden adventure to learn how to grow this special plant and find out if it really can shoo away those pesky mosquitoes. Are you ready to make your garden smell amazing and maybe even bug-free? Let's get started. The citronella plant is pretty cool because it smells like citrus fruits, which is super refreshing. Some people call it the mosquito plant because they think it keeps mosquitoes away. But guess what? Scientists say that might not be entirely true. This plant loves the sunshine but doesn't mind a bit of shade either. It only needs water when the soil feels dry on top. So it's pretty easy to take care of. Citronella plants need a sunny spot, but they're okay with a little bit of shade too. They like their soil just perfect, not too wet and not too dry. When winter comes, you have two choices. Leave it outside and it might not make it through the cold, or bring it inside where it's warm. If you live where the sun shines all year, your citronella will keep growing happily. Depending on where you live, the citronella plant can be like a perennial, which means it grows back every year, or an annual, which means it only lives for one season. If it gets too cold, the plant might not survive outside. But no worries, you can always bring it inside during the winter and it'll be just fine. Did you know you can eat parts of the citronella plant? Yep, the leaves and flowers can be used in cooking. They add a lemony flavor to salads and can make desserts look pretty. So next time you're in the garden, think about picking a few leaves for your salad. It's like having your own lemony spice right in your backyard. People often think citronella plants can keep mosquitoes away. While it's true they smell a bit like the stuff in mosquito candles, they might not be the best at making mosquitoes buzz off. There are other plants like lavender and basil that are better at keeping those bugs away. So, while citronella smells great, it might not be the superhero plant we thought it was for fighting off mosquitoes. We've had quite the adventure learning about the citronella plant, haven't we? It's more than just a plant. It's a lemon-scented friend for your garden that might even keep some bugs away. And who knows, maybe you'll try eating it too. Gardening is full of surprises and there's always something new to learn. Thanks for joining Midtown Farmer, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun garden care tips. See you next time and keep thriving.
Damn.